Well, a lot of us going to be waking up to a fairly similar sight. This is what it looked like as that sun rose this morning on top of the studio in downtown Columbia. Again, really not a whole lot of cloud cover to have to battle. That may change later on today. But that cold air is starting to settle back in. As soon as you step outside, it's going to feel pretty similar, but we're going to end up a little bit different as we get into this afternoon. We were hanging out in the low 50s early on this morning. We've since dropped back into the low 40s as that cold front continues to kind of usher in some of that cooler air. It's not going to be anything like what we tracked into yesterday, where temperatures get back to about 70 degrees, but again, not a whole lot of cloud cover. There goes that cold front well off to our south and east, turning those winds out of the northwest, and that's going to kind of put the brakes on that warming that we're going to try to do. Try to get back to where we were yesterday. A lot of us trying to push those numbers that direction. We're only going to be getting into the lower 50s today as we get into our Wednesday. Tonight, keep those winds out of the north, and that'll kind of cool things off a few degrees more than what we got down to this morning, down into the upper 20s as we head out the door Thursday morning. It will bounce back tomorrow, or at least try to, but I think we hang on to the clouds and those winds out of the north, so we're going to shave off a few degrees as we get into our Thursday afternoon, only topping out in about the low to mid 40s as we get into tomorrow. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, it's going to be a fairly quiet stretch. We do have a chance of picking up some light showers Friday night into Saturday morning. Then by Saturday itself, we kind of shake some of that off, and we actually get back to near 60 degrees to kick off the weekend. Got some more chances for some rain, though, as we close out the weekend and then start out the week into Monday. But again, they're far from a layup. We'll continue to track those as we get into the next couple of days.